Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Safullah and I am a teacher of history and geography in a smart school, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan campus, Gulstani, Johar. Today, the topic of my presentation is farming problem in Pakistan. As already know that Pakistan is basically an agricultural country and most of its economy depends on agriculture as agriculture is the backbone of economic system. In addition to providing raw materials and food and large scale of employment, it but in Pakistan, this sector faces a major challenges like depleting water, poor quality seeds, um, waterlogging and salinity, input supply, and such other factors. The next slide is regarding the problems, and these are area, poor quality animals and seeds, water shortage, fertilizers, waterlogging, and salinity. In the next slides, we discuss the details of the problem. Firstly, area. One of the major problem with farming in Pakistan is that the average area of 50% of the farm is less than 2 hectares, and sometimes the fields are scattered by different plots around these villages. It mostly rich landowners which have large farms covering hundreds of acres. So these factors make difficult for the farmers who have a small size of agricultural land. Or these individual farmers grow crops and vegetables for their own use, and they can't afford such technologies like tractors. So in that case, they use blocks for ploughing, and they done harvesting by hands. Second is unscientific methods of cultivation. If we talk about the mode of Pakistan, the answer is still the answer is yes, that old methods are still using in Pakistan for agricultural purposes, and new method as well also use here, but mostly why use of latest machineries like tractors and harvester is not common like in other developed nations. It is mostly due to lack of funds and a small size of farm, adequate space, and large machines. Secondly, farm animals used in the fields need to be looked after and treated if sick. In Pakistan, most rich landowners, however, invest in farm machinery and train their labor to use it. As you can see in both these pictures, the old methods of cultivations which are still running in Pakistan. The first is the blocks using in the agricultural land in absence of technology, and harvesting by hands, some laborers class in the fields. The second is poor quality seeds. Farmers are often too poor to buy new and improved seeds and animal and to save their own seeds and breed animals locally. The government is trying hard to bring in seeds produce large crops and animals which are uh, strong and produce more milk and meat. But these expensive and generally beyond the income of small farmers. If we compare the Pakistan with USA, highly yield variety of seeds results in better quality and large quantity of crops. USA production per hectare is 5,000 plus kg. It is per hectare. And Pakistan in two different years, like in 1960, it almost um, 4 million tons and 2007 it increased, but um, if you compare the yield per hectares, USA is more than more than Pakistan. As a basic, however, as a basically agricultural economy in Pakistan has taken some steps to increase its yields of wheat, rice, and cotton. Example: Maxi Park wheat, IRI Park rice, and Nayab cotton. 78. Third is water. Water, basic need for cultivation. In Pakistan, inherited a very efficient canal irrigation system which led on by Britishers before independence. But we have a good irrigation canal system in Punjab and Sindh, and but the demand of water is increasing because the output of the farm increases, so the need for more water becomes very important for agriculture. And government has many schemes for improved water supplies, from tube well or canal system irrigation canal system, but there is a need for more dams and reservoirs to store water because we have a shortage of water. So uh, and also uh, the canals which are supply water, or you can say irrigating the land, need proper maintenance because it is disturbed, or you can say slowly destroy due to removing of soil and silt, so it needs maintenance. If canals cannot be maintained, it can be breach. And in the form of floods, you can see the picture. uh, the left side picture shows the canal breaching, and you can see the all water comes came out from the you can see the result of the canal breaching, and the whole village drowned. The third is fertilizer. In the past, when there were few peoples and the demands of crop was less, so the farmers use manure usually to keep the field fairly fertile, and poor landers may not be able to afford these. For example, they generally use manure, which may not be adequate as a fertilizer. However, artificial use of artificial fertilizers kill bugs, but it are harmful. It also kill other insects which are useful for the crops, and it have a negative impact on the environment. Moreover, plants can also carry the harmful effects of pesticides and pass them on to the consumer. The last is waterlogging and salinity. Next is waterlogging salinity. Water from irrigation canals seeps into the soil and make it so wet all the year that plants will not grow because the roots need air. The government is trying to solve this problem by lining the canals with concrete, which is an expensive process, lowering the water level in canals and ditches, pumping out the water through tube wells, and planting the eucalyptus trees to absorb groundwater. Agriculture universities of Sindh and Punjab are trying to solve this problem. Um, Salinity is the next. Continuous cultivation and irrigation on an agricultural land disturb the soil fertility, and when the water evaporates from the land, the white patches the white patches appeared, and these white patches are basically salt, and this makes the land unfit for further cultivations. This can be solved by washing the soil with fresh water from tube wells or use of special chemicals, but both methods are expensive. Uh, as Pakistan is not a water-rich country and poor farmers can't afford the chemical treatment. So, uh, 26% of the Pakistan farmland is affected by salt, and 8% so badly, and it becomes a desert unless treated. So, uh, government needs to take steps against such lands. Uh, Next topic is now we discuss the farming problem in South Asia. In the all previous classes we discussed the farming problems related to Pakistan, and now firstly the India. India has tried to meet the demand for water for agriculture through construction of dams and barrages and reservoirs. The land resources in India are affected by deforestation and soil erosion, and overgrazing turns land into a desert. But uh, if we but government has currently 182 majors and 312 minor irrigation projects in India, um, which uh, provide which can be maintained, or and these projects will help in the future. In Bangladesh basically also main agricultural country, and however cyclones are a great threat to its agricultural land in coastal region. If we talk about Sri Lanka, Nepal and Bhutan, they are self-sufficient in agriculture for their food and needs. And if we talk about the Maldives imports all types of grains from the other countries. Hardly any large tracts of farming land it has. Uh, these are the details of farming problems in South Asia. Uh, we don't need to discuss a much detail. So this is the end of my presentation, and thank you.